Ako nga pala si Kim and thank you sa pumunta dito sa Anchor Dator High.
Welcome to Dator Anchor High!
Yes, guys, and since this is a Anchor High, our lesson for today is...
No, wait.
May lesson?
No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Uniforms.
Oo nga, ang cute ng mga uniforms! Kaway, dyan yung naka-uniform!
Ah,
So cute!
sinong late dito? Sinong late? Sino?
Hindi. Sino
Tayong
walang
libre.
bakod? Sino walang bakod? Ayun na! Okay, sige, mababaunan namin kayo ng mga bagong performances! Yes! New performances, new sides of Horizon that we're so excited to show you guys. It's all here at Dator Anchor High. I hope you guys are still on your feet because we are going to show you something very special.
Yeah, guys, and I know this is just a start, but this is such a great start to the concert because the energy has been so great. Thank you guys for the energy. Come on, let's hear it.
How you feel? Lahat tayo.
Yeah. As you guys know, How You Feel used to be a subunit song between me, Jiro, and Hal and Subunit, but this time around, we made Horizon's version of How You Feel. So we're very glad to be able to show it to all of you right now.
Our classmates. So thank you for coming to class, our classmates. I hope you guys are excited for what's next. Guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
We're ready. Yeah, we're so excited to be holding our second concert, Dator Anchor High. We were so grateful for last year nung nasa Voyage to Manila pa lang tayo. It was such an amazing experience for all of us, for Horizon and I. Kayo din ba nag-enjoy ba kayo last time? Yeah. It looks like it kasi bumalik kayo for another round, for a second concert with Horizon and we are so grateful.
Who
So,
went to our first concert?